Suri Serrano here with Chelsea Hightower. Oh my gosh.
Nice to see you.
So good to see you.
Yeah.
Overall, your impressions of the night.
The night was amazing. You know, so much talent. You know, all these people have been in this already, and they're coming back with fire and with you know, some of them really with vengeance because they, you know, missed out on their opportunity to win that ball, or not opportunity, but you know, they came close but didn't quite get there. So I think those guys are definitely going and gunning for that mirror ball. So it was great to see, great night, and much excitement to come.
How psyched were you to get your partner since he's won before?
Very excited. Elio is just so fun. He really is. He has such an infectious personality. So fun, so happy, so positive all the time, and so much fun to work with in the studio. He's a great student. He's like a sponge. He just like soaks up everything I tell him, and he just does it right the first time. So he's fun. He's
a
great.
Teacher's dream.
A teacher's dream. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
What have you worked on most with him?
Right now it's been just refining the techniques. You know, he really has so much charisma, and he can get by with that because it is so infectious, and you watch his face rather than watching his feet. But sometimes every once in a while, just a tiny bit, he'll sickle or he'll have like a bad foot somewhere. So we're definitely working on that.
Who do you think your toughest competition is?
Honestly, everybody is really good, and it sounds so political, and it's not just a political answer. Everybody really is good, and we really are just trying to focus on ourselves right now, and just focus on what we can do, and so I think right now we are. So.